Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to cancel auto renewal in iQIYI. First of all, launch open iQIYI application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is simply tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, at top you'll be able to see your name. Right under it you'll be able to see your VIP membership if you have subscribed to it. Right now I haven't subscribed to it, so I'm being able to see the option for join VIP. Otherwise you'll be able to see your VIP membership over here. What you have to do is tap on it. Right now I do not have VIP account subscription, but I'll tell you what to do. Once you go to your VIP profile, you'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is find the option for auto renewal. After you do that, over there you'll be able to find the option for cancel. Tap on it, or you can also find the option for turn off. Simply tap on it. After you do that, auto renewal will be turned off and it will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel auto renewal in iQIYI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.